Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Talk with me. How are you today? I hope you are smiling right now. Yes, smile please. Haha. If you are new here, don't worry at all. This channel Talk with Me is specially made for non-English speakers, for beginners and for people who think English is difficult for me. No. English is not difficult. You just need the right teacher, the right method, and a little practice. And I am here to help you. So today, are you ready? Yes? Good. Today's lesson is future perfect continuous tense. Oh, that sounds very long, right? Future perfect continuous. 3 words? Haha, don't be scared. I promise you, by the end of this video, you will understand it. I will explain slowly, simply, and clearly. First, let's understand the name. Let's break the name. First one, future, means something about the future. Second one, perfect, means something that is completed up to a point. Third one, continuous, something that is continuing for a period of time. So together, future perfect continuous means an action that will be continuing for some time up to a certain point in the future. Okay. We use future perfect continuous tense to talk about how long an action will have been happening in the future. Very important sentence. Let me repeat slowly. We use it to talk about how long an action will have been happening in the future. Yes, how long. Now, let's see the sentence structure. Very important. Listen carefully. Don't write fast, just listen first. Subject plus will have been plus verb plus ing. Let me repeat. Subject plus will have been plus verb plus ing. Okay, good. Now let's see some examples. Example 1. I will have been studying for 3 hours by 8 p.m. Let's understand this. I started studying earlier, I am studying now, and by 8 p.m. I will complete 3 hours. So the action is continuing and we talk about time. Okay. Example 2. She will have been working here for 5 years by next month. Haha, 5 years, long time. That means she started working in the past, she is working now, and by next month it will be 5 years. Important point for beginners. Future perfect continuous always talks about time and duration, like for 2 hours, for 5 years, for a long time. If there is no time, usually we don't use this tense. Let me repeat again because this is important. These tenses talk about time and duration. Now let me ask you a question, okay? I will have been learning English for 1 year by December. Is it correct, Anna? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Very good, because we have used a duration for 1 year. Okay, let's see some common mistakes students often make. Many beginners say, I will been studying, I will have study. No, that's wrong. The correct one is will have been plus verb plus ing. Say it again with me. Will have been studying, will have been working, will have been learning. Got it? Perfect. When it comes to negative sentences, only thing we have to do is to add the word not after the will. Okay? Look at the sentence structure. Subject plus will not have been plus verb plus ing. Example, I will not have been working here for long. Simple, right? And when forming questions, we have to bring will to the front of the sentence. Okay? Look at the structure. Will plus subject plus have been plus verb plus ing. Example, will you have been studying for 2 hours by 10 p.m.? See, just change the position. Easy peasy. Now let's learn some real life examples we often use in real life. Okay? By next year, I will have been learning English for 2 years. Wow! See, you can say this sentence about yourself one day. By tonight, I will have been watching this channel for 1 hour. Haha, thank you. That's it. Before we finish, let me tell you something from my heart. If you are watching this video and thinking, my English is not good, please stop thinking like that. English is a skill, not magic, and skills grow with practice. You can learn English, you will learn English, and one day you will speak English confidently. Keep learning with Talk With Me. Keep smiling, keep practicing. Don't forget to watch our past lessons. Like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye, take care, and happy learning.